Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Melanie. Thank you so much for joining me. I am so excited for today's video. I am going to give you a quick tour of like my Cricut things and what I found and where I've gotten them. So if you're interested in kind of a Cricut update and a little mini tour, I'm going to take you over, I'm sure you can tell from my background here, to show you my desk and some things I'm working on. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching. So I'll tag the video up here, but as most of you guys know, I bought a Cricut, and so Ben has been amazing in helping me find like a little work spot for it. The way the apartment is set up is this space is also in the guest room, so it kind of has to be spatially friendly, but we're gonna take a little walk over to this desk and check it out. This is my Cricut space. Say hi to the kitten down below. She is very peacefully sleeping. So that is a shelf from Lowe's. It's about $15.99. We measured it out for the depth and the length. I'll kind of bring you in a little closer here. So this is the new Cricut here. So first thing I want to show you is, the Cricut comes with a couple of tools, the Cricut brand marker, but as you can see here, I have a slew of fine point pens, and then I wanted to show you guys these jot markers from the Dollar Tree. So something that I feel like Cricut does a nice job of is making you feel like you have to get Cricut everything. So that's just not the case. You can get different types of markers, different types of fine point pens, and then you can just pick up some of these pencil grippers here and cut them vertically and then wrap them around the marker and pop them into the machine here, and it will save you a ton of money on supplies. Next are these two. Can you guess what these are? These are paper towel holders. So they are 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and you just roll up your vinyl and pop them in. That way you can see all the different colors you have. It makes a nice little background, and then I have extra vinyl back here, and it just kind of makes a cute little crafting station for a very affordable amount. The last few things I want to show you guys I got off Amazon. So you can see I'm using my Ipsy bag here. If you haven't seen this Ipsy unboxing, definitely worth the view because it had some really good things in it. But something else that Cricut says that you have to have in order to use the Cricut is the Cricut Essentials like startup tools. So all of my dental friends will laugh because a lot of these look just like dentistry things we use every day in the dental office. But there are a few things that you need for weeding, such as this hook is currently my favorite. Also like this smoothing out kind of spatula, and these little scissors are also great. And then you can see this paper slicer here is also from Amazon. That was $8.99. Now all of these tools actually came off of Amazon. So this comes in a kit for about $8.99, and then this was $8.99. So you're looking around $18. The Cricut brand one that has all of these same things in it is about $36. So like I said in my original video, I am not looking to, go broke buying supplies for my Cricut. I just want to use it. So the last thing I want to show you guys is the roll of transfer paper. So this is about 100 feet of transfer paper. It is from Vinyl Ease. You can also find that on Amazon. I want to say it was around $15, but that is an extremely large amount of transfer paper versus, what they have you buy on Cricut's website. Love my Cricut, no shame on Cricut whatsoever, but I do feel like you can find some of the same things at a different price. So that is my current setup and my little kitten down there. And yes, the white chair is still right here. So the white chair has not gone anywhere. Susan, Mom, love that freaking chair. So I use it to sit at my desk, but we did get this shelf So it's really just a shelf. It's like a $15 shelf from Lowe's, and Ben just put some brackets underneath it that can sustain heavy weight up against the wall. And so that's what I'm using to be very cost effective and not too bulky. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, I'm still waiting on Cricut suggestions. If you guys have any, would love that. I'm working on some cards right now, and I made some fun things for my office managers for our next meeting. But otherwise, I'm open to suggestions, and learning how to use this new device has been super fun. So thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, let me know. I typically do like makeup things, and I'm sure I will be Cricuting things for my makeup as well, which I will definitely let you guys know. But I usually do unboxings and hauls and makeup reviews and things like that. But if you've been liking the Cricut kind of details, then please let me know so I know to keep doing videos like this. But if you're new here, let me know. Say hi. I'd love to give you a shout out. And yeah, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe, do all this stuff. I hate telling you guys to do that, but I feel like I have to. But I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you all soon. Bye.